Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you joined today for another beautiful collab with some of my planner friends and also a shop that Alyssa and I PR for with our planner friend and shop owner Amy of Simply Beautiful Plans. We've decided to come together to do an Easter collab, all using different kits. Here you are seeing Alyssa and her lovely kit that she used from Sadie Stickers and how that turns out. I will link her down below so you can see how that went. And right now you are seeing Amy with a kit from her shop called Easter and how she is laying it down in her Aura Estelle as well. We're all using Aura Estelle inserts and it just comes out so lovely the way that we plan. We all plan differently, but the way that we lay down the stickers and use it in our auras is so pretty. So I'll link Amy's down below as well in her channel, and you can check out her evolving content and this Easter kit that she used as well from her shop. So here you are seeing the beginning of me using the Easter kit that I decided to use, which is from Dash of Suns. I do PR for her shop. I will leave all of those links and PR codes for all the shops that I'm going to use down below. But my code for Dash of Suns is Kayla10 for 10% off this beautiful Easter kit. So this part right here, you're going to see a couple of transitions in my video. This is a further clip that, to be very transparent, that I filmed at nighttime with lights, and it was a little bit too far and blurry, but it will get closer, I promise. But this is me laying down the base, so just the washi, the headers, and then I start on the sidebar. So I am going to lay it down and come back to the day-to-day and play a little bit of music for you guys as I go through this part. You will see it transition as well. Just another disclaimer, from nighttime to daytime as I'm planning. Oh, here we go, in front of my deck. So there's the natural daylight coming in, and you will notice obviously everything looks a little bit different with the natural light and my artificial lights there as well. So that transition and that glow from the light gold in the kit is actually really pretty. But we are going to get a little bit closer so you can see the details of the kit. And now I'll start playing the music for you guys as I lay down the base and then come back to the day-to-day details. go quickly through my day-to-day. So right now on Monday, I'm laying down a little decorative leaf by Christine's Paper Studio. That fancy box is by Pretty Pink Co. The coffee cup is by Simply Beautiful Plans, and the flourish is also by Pretty Pink Co. When I am marking Happy Mail at the bottom, I use deco from the sheet as well as extra deco from the Sweet Planner. The Happy Mail script is from Letters to Apollo, and the little checklist that I made is from the kit. Also, the Girls' Night script that I use at the bottom, the box is from the kit, and the script that I use from the bottom is from Murdock Talks. I also decided to go back up and put a little butterfly near my coffee first, because that is a beautiful way to start any Monday, to be honest with you. But up to Easter weekend, it was pretty hectic, just going into a little bit of my plans as I apply some deco here from the kit on a box and decide what to do to mark my workday. You'll see throughout the week that I'm very, very indecisive with how I plan, and it's all going to be out there for you guys. I can't even tell you guys how long it takes me to put a spread together, but that is real life, like I'm kind of a perfectionist that way, and you will see that throughout the video. So in the week on Tuesday, I was working as I was gearing up to Easter long weekend with my family. I put down a little floral mandala by Planning Like a Pro, as well as a little character from her shop as well. That little scallop is from Panda Designs, and everything else is from the kit, aside from the floral deco, which is from the Sweet Planner. So back to my week. It was pretty busy. I was getting dinner together. I hosted at my house, very small bubble of family, super tiny bubble. And when I say that I hosted, I normally host most holidays because of the space that I have in my house for the family. And it's pretty much a potluck situation. I would make the majority of things, or I will cater the majority of things if it's a super busy week, like a super busy work week leading up to it. And as you can see on Wednesday, I am marking that I actually, which you will see in the after the pen, because this is the before the pen, but that little cart there means that I went to go pick up an order as part of the Easter dinner from Longo's, which is a grocery shop here that does a lot of ready to go or ready-made foods, which taste delicious. So I did that on the Wednesday. I also had a bank appointment, so I marked that with a Harriet Wright Designs little bank decal. On Thursday, I am using everything from the kit. The floral mandala at the top there is from Panda Designs, and this little flourish that I'm adding here now is from Lilac Luna Plans. As you can see there as well, underneath there, I'm adding more floral deco, foiled floral deco from the Pretty Pink Co. This box that I'm laying down as well is from the kit. And that little floral piece there that I added on top is from the kit. In the corner, I had to cut a little tiny piece of a mandala from Planning Like a Pro to put on top of my memory plans there. That memory plan script and the Instagram logo that I'm adding there are from Lilac Luna Plans. On Friday was a pretty busy day, to be honest, because even though that was a day off leading in to the long weekend, it was still very busy. I found like I was still working on a personal project that I have going on the side, as well as arranging with my mom what things that she would like last minute, how I would have to run to another grocery store called No Frills, which is close to my house as well, to get a couple of the other things to add on. in this Friday box currently, as I flip back and forth between my actual plans and what's going on the screen. That's another Planning Like a Pro icon. The Day Off script is by Lilac Luna Plans. The Flourish is by the Pretty Pink Co. Christine's Paper Studio, I am adding a lovely little decorative box here over top of a Planning Like a Pro tiny rose mandala. The PR post script is by Lilac Luna Plans. And that day, after I was working on my personal project in the morning, I did post a couple things to Instagram for PR. That box at the bottom is by Pretty Pink Co. And shortly you will see that I am going to put that I did have a little bit of a binge, and that is a Poor Little Pepper from the Winter series. It says Hallmark if you zoom in there on the TV, but it was a binge watch on Netflix that I did that day. On Saturday, this is deco that I'm using from the kit itself, and you can see here that I am deciding what to put there, and I decide against putting that lovely corner box. I decide to put just a box in general, not horizontally, vertically, and you'll see that I also add another Poor Little Pepper, but this is the Create Your Own Pepper. So that's like a little mini-me in sticker form. But you could find that link also down below for 50% off of your own Poor Little Pepper, personalized pepper. But back to my actual day plans on Saturday. It was very busy. I decided, you know what, after running to No Frills, screw it, let me go have lunch with one of my friends, Renee. So that is what that box at the top actually represents. I had some lunch with her, and then I used a Velda, a little spa Velda after that from Coffee Brain Plans, to mark that I actually went to go have a little spa moment. I went to have a facial and just to relax before a date night in the evening and a busy Sunday, which was actually Easter. And even though Easter was busy, it was absolutely beautiful. I always enjoy, not enjoyed past tense. I always enjoy having my family over, hosting for them. I always enjoy seeing my brother. As much as he's my younger brother and we have sibling stuff all the time, I really do enjoy seeing him, catching up, talking about our just our extracurricular activities, talking about what we're doing as our little mini he has a little side hustle going on. So I always like to hear how that's going for him, because I'm always like his own personal cheerleader, really. But going back to Sunday and the plans here, I did put together a really beautiful box. I love the way that I actually layered on top of the Happy Easter full box from the kit. I put the deco from the sheet, used that beautiful, it looked like an eggshell artwork with the blue florals. It was so pretty, and I used a Giving Girl bow box, lilac colored bow box, I should say. And it just turned out really pretty, and just putting that little bunny there on top, I really loved how I marked that day. And that was just to mark in a very embellished way that I was just prepping for the morning. I think that I actually went to Starbucks too. I have to actually look back at my plans, but the After the Pen will be posted to my Instagram. So you can see all of the details on Instagram. All of my links are down below. But I think I went to Starbucks as I was prepping in the morning to get everything ready before my brother came by. And then after the full box of Happy Easter, I love how beautiful that box is, by the way. I used a Planning Like a Pro mandala, a little floral mandala from her. This box is from the Pretty Pink Co. from an older sampler, I believe. And I decorate that with Alyssa's freebie, actually, from Dash of Suns. So I had actually used her freebie code to get this before I made the team, which is so ironic because we're actually doing this together, this collab. But I was using her decorative little pieces from her sampler. So those hearts there. This floral is from the kit that I layered on top of that box. And the butterfly, you'll see that I'm deciding which one to use from the kit sampler as well as Alyssa's sampler. And this is the full spread. It is a little blurry. Again, I apologize about that, guys. But I am getting better, I promise. It's getting better and better every single time I post. As much as I love to hate Instagram, I actually love it. I love doing collabs. So this will not be the last one. In this frame, I'm just putting down the date dots that I forgot to put down in the beginning from Letters to Apollo and doing a little wiggle and admiring all of my gold foil. And that is that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my plan with me with Alyssa and Amy. Again, I will put all of their details down below so you can check out their spreads, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.